Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What is going on? Good morning to you. This is the 1 Minute of Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here is your quote for today. Be so happy that when others look at you, they become happy too. A happy mood and a smile is extremely infectious and can have an incredible effect spreading to other people. You can help lift someone's mood with just a smile and having a laugh with them, with anyone at all that might need that little lift in life or maybe just made feel better. Your smile is your advertising for exactly who you are. So, be happy, smile, and spread that happiness all around you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.